Here's how to allow Steam to access your camera on iPhone. If Steam can't access your camera, the first thing to check is your iPhone's privacy settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Apps. Then find and select Steam. At the top of the page, make sure camera is turned on. Once it's enabled, Steam will be able to use your camera for features such as scanning QR codes and logging into other devices. If the camera option doesn't appear or Steam still can't access it, open the Steam app instead. Tap the menu button, then tap your profile icon and select View Profile. Next, tap Edit Profile and choose Avatar. Select Upload your avatar. If prompted, choose to take a photo with your camera. This should trigger the iPhone permission request asking whether you want to allow Steam to access your camera. Tap Allow to grant permission. After granting access, close and reopen the Steam app. Then try scanning your QR code or using any feature that requires the camera. Steam should now be able to access your iPhone's camera without any issues. That's all for this video. Thanks.